First, you get their attention and get big smiles on their faces.
We'll give you $10,000 in trade on any vehicle you can drive, tow, or push into Carlisle Auto Mall. Roll the fine print, boys. How you gonna beat that?
Atzenhofer, how you gonna beat that?
If we don't have the best used car deals in town, may lightning strike me down. Whoa! We don't care if you got bad credit. We don't care if you got a prison record. You come to Carlisle and pay cash. How you gonna beat that?
Reynolds Ford, how you gonna beat that?
Hey, it's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Cream Pufferama. How you gonna beat that?
Here's a special 18-second donut hole for a special used car sales event.
Reynolds Ford, how you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Trailerama. Come register to win a solid chrome double wide with the pop-out gun room. How you gonna beat that?
Hagerstown Kia, how you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 1st annual Gallbladderama. Mine had to go, and so do 200 new vehicles. My son's Squirrel.
200 new vehicles must go.
I-75 Pearson Automotive, how you gonna beat that?
Want a small car? Can't fit in one? Carlisle's is giving out free liposuction with every new compact car, performed in the comfort and privacy of our #2 Lubrac. How you gonna beat that?
Mid-City Ford Subaru, how you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Savorama. How you gonna beat that?
Another 18-second donut hole for new or used.
Champion, how you gonna beat that?
How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that?